again, guys, how are you? Well, we've left Pattaya and we're actually on the way to Koh Chang. So we're on the ferry now. Just got the car squeezed in. Only in Thailand. So here we are. It's a beautiful day. And it's our first time here, so we're very excited. We got a lovely resort. So, yeah, enjoy the ride with us. And I'll push you on to Kelly.
Sawadee ka, hi everyone. Now we go to Koh Chang. We will show you later. I'm hangover.
All the time. So it's on the way to Koh Chang now. As I just showed you before, we're in Koh Chang. There's a few people behind me there. There's a few people on the boat. It's a good ferry boat, good ferry ride to go here. Pretty easy. It's about 3-hour drive, 3 hours from Pattaya to get to here. Very easy drive, so I definitely recommend it. We hired a little Honda Jazz. Very good little car, very quick. We've put 120 on the way, most of the way through. Yeah, definitely come down to Koh Chang. If you want to see people on quiet island, I think it's people quieter than Samui. So it's our first time and we're very excited. So once again guys, for your support and please like and subscribe to the channel, really appreciate it. We've got a lot to show in this trip. So we are on the way to Koh Chang now and then we go straight to Bangkok and then Singapore. So yeah, a lot more to show you. Thanks guys. That's the main island of West Thailand right there. It's Trat. Yeah. Here's Koh Chang behind us. Hey! Here's Koh Chang. That's a ferry you get. Yeah, we're in Koh Chang. Here we are on Koh Chang, first time. So very exciting. First time. It's always great when things are first times. So okay, got a bit naughty here. All right, so I'm going to turn right using GPS. Got a bit of a drive apparently. So any cars? And no cars. It's pretty quiet here. Yeah, that was a really good drive here from Pattaya. Yeah, that was a good drive actually. This car's great, little Honda Jazz.
How many hours?
Took us about 3 hours to get here. It wasn't not as long as I thought. It said 5 hours, but I was within 3 hours. I was here. But I was doing 120 all the way. Yeah, I heard it's I heard. Look at this. It is a little bit steep, guys. So if you get a car, you may want to get something a little bit of balls. See? Yeah, it's very hilly like this. And we've got cars going slow. Alright, so yeah. You gotta be a little bit careful up here guys. You do want a car that's got a bit of power. Because could be a little bit of trouble. Yeah. As I said, it's pretty steep. It's pretty so just sort of drive back a little bit and then sort of go for it. That's like that. Alright? So yeah, and this is quite. Hey, here we go. We've got a steep hill. Just take it easy, guys, when you drive here. Especially if it's raining. Yeah, there you go. Wow, beautiful. Tropical islands. It's all about, guys. The tropics. So if you've been to Samui,
See Koh Chang, see Chang,
see Chang here, Koh Chang.
Elephant Island.
Oh, Elephant Island. Yeah, that's Elephant Park. Yeah. And White Elephant Resort. See a lot of resorts here. We're staying at the Palm Sand area, so either side of the island, which we recommended by one of Gal's good friends that they stayed there. So yeah. So yeah, it's a pretty established island for what it is. Got a 7-Eleven, we've got Amazon here. Little market over there. I think we'll be going through the main area very soon. As I said, this is the first time for both of us, so we don't know. This is all new to us, so it's all exciting. There is a diner, American restaurant I want to try out here that Chuck from No Time to Be Sad recommended to go and come here. So yeah, we're going to go and check them out too. So yeah, welcome to Koh Chang. Oh, restaurant italiano.
Noodle shop.
Oh,
My favorite.
Look at this. Wow. Jeez, I was thinking that was fun down there. You need a car. This is a 1.5 litre engine, guys, so you don't want to go anything less than this. You need something quite strong. There's a BMW in front of us. He's a diesel, so it's probably got a bigger engine than us. But there's a car, a little Mazda 2 up there, so that's how much bigger than this. It's pretty much the same size engine, actually. Slow now, this is no good.
Wait for him to go for it.
Yeah.
Just wait for it. Oh, motorbike.
Wow, it's steep. Are you recording this? It is steep, guys. Oh. Wow. Best to let the cars go in front, a little bit in front of you, and then you sort of, yeah. There's a Ford Ranger behind us, you know, and a Pajero, so they're big engines, they're 6 cylinders, they're big. So probably recommend maybe, yeah. If you've got a family, guys, definitely bring a bigger car. Maybe a Toyota Fortuner or Ford Ranger. This car's good. I'm glad I got this car. This is good. I did tell the agent when I'm hiring a car, I'm going to Koh Chang, so show us understood that pointing colours. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much the hill done. Here you go. That's it. That was the steep part. Now it's all downhill. Beautiful. Nice. It's pretty steep, wasn't it, darling? It's pretty steep, wasn't it? It's pretty.
Yes.
Pretty.
Oh.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, look at that. It's amazing. Do you know that, darling? Yeah, just a beautiful island. Now we're going downwards. Jeez, that's taking some steep now, getting down now.
Like this.
Yeah. Just take it easy, guys, when you're driving here. Don't speed. Drive slow. I've got sports mode on low gear. It's good. So just take it easy, guys, when you're driving here. It's guys on motorbikes. Don't know how they're doing it, but anyway. Take your time. You're on holidays. Relax. We'll be at our destination in 15 minutes. And make sure your car's got good brakes, alright? It's a very quiet island, guys. Very quiet. Not much.
And we have 7-Eleven too.
salon to do your hair, ladies. Do nails, massage. We have here.
Oh yeah I need massage everyday massage
Massage. Pizza. Got maquillage. Got both stuff here. Shopping. High motorbike. So you guys even a high motorbike, go ahead, bit of fun. Just be careful of the hills. Yeah, we got mini big C.
Big C
Mini big C.
7 quartersสวย so beautiful island ฮะ
There's a lot here, isn't it? Lots to do here, isn't it?
food everywhere the barbecue chicken
Get some chicken or something, like
no
Sure?
yes oh, barbecue fish yeah and the way to hotel นี่ทางไปโรงแรมนะคะเนี่ย the way to hotel where we go darling
We're going to the hotel. We're going to... Yeah, it's a hotel, there it is. It's the sign. Our friends did say it's off the beaten track. Yep. Yeah, that's where we're staying. Sun, how you say it? How you say that? Sun...
สันทิยาอะไรนะทรีเกาะช้างรีสอร์ททีเหรอโอ้
Here it is. There's a resort.
yeah we have 10 here โอ้โห
People live there, like.
ถึงแล้ว here we go yeah เหมือนปราสาทเลย ว้าว look at that look like have scary goat in there เหมือนบ้านผีสิงในหนังเลยคืนนี้ฉันจะได้นอนไหมเนี่ย